What's up, Econ John here. Welcome back to Marxist Economics. In this video, we're going to talk about methods of exploitation within the capitalist economy. Let's go. An axiom of Marxist theory is that the capitalist economy is inherently exploitative by systematic underpayment of the working class. This is due to the organization of production within it. The payments from production in a given capitalist economy can be expressed as C plus V and SV on this other side. So we just have this bar in the middle and splitting these two parts where C plus V is payments to constant capital, machinery, and materials, plus value, which is payments to the workers and laborers, and SV is payments to the capitalist. A capitalist producer who has the goal of increasing surplus can do so in four ways. By increasing absolute surplus value, by increasing relative surplus value, by hiring more workers, and by increasing the intensity of labor, which is speeding up the time it takes to produce product. A capitalist increases surplus value in the absolute sense when he increases the length of the working day for his employees but pays them the same as before the change. Graphically, this is an increase in the area of surplus value directly without changing the area of payments to machinery and labor, as illustrated in the difference between chart A and B. A capitalist can increase surplus value in the relative sense by decreasing wages paid to labor V for the same work. Graphically, this is an increase in surplus value from contracting the area representing payments to machinery and labor. How hiring more workers exploits the current workers. This way is a little bit less intuitive, but it's better understood using neoclassical theory with it. Recall that the marginal product of labor is equal to wage. Recall that there are also diminishing returns to labor on its own, so as we increase the numbers of workers in our production, W decreases. In the graphic representation of Marxist we have used so far, that this decrease in overall area of surplus value for workers, the area of S, V, and C both increases from the capitalist perspective, but appears to be a change in relative surplus value from the perspective of the individual worker. The fourth way capitalist exploitation occurs is from an increase in intensity of labor or speed up. This was originally said with regards to the speeding up of assembly lines, which increases the speed of the conveyor belts, so workers have to increase their speed of work to keep up with the machinery. Generally, this is done by increasing each worker's marginal product of labor, but paying them the same as before. So they're producing more, but are getting paid less, so their marginal product is not equal to their wage. By example, say a capitalist increases worker efficiency from MPL1 to MPL2. So MPL2 is greater than MPL1. However, he does not change the wages when the workers become more productive, because according to economic theory, they should be going and getting paid more. Their W should go and increase with that. This type of argument is said to be common, according to some unions, with workers that get paid by the hour, meaning that they become more efficient, but they're getting paid the same, so their wage should increase. There's an argument in the literature regarding the popular formulation which illustrates this point. However, this is a lessened mechanism of capitalist exploitation. So we just went through the methods of exploitation that are employed by capitalists. I'll see you in the next video.